So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in chkdsk space. And now the drive letter of the drive that you're getting the problem with. For me, it's my C drive. I'm going to type in C colon. You want to type in your drive letter and then put a colon. Space /F space /R. And then click on enter. It should then start running a scan for you. Once you complete that scan, the problem should be fixed. If the scan did not start running and instead this came up, then you want to type in Y and then click on enter. Now you want to restart your computer. As the computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load. It's then going to start running the scan for you. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.